creating content. Ha! Everybody's not creating content. I beg, shift, let me see road. Ah, you again, your video is still showing in my timeline. You be empty and everywhere you go. I don't want to be seeing your video. No, be like I go block this woman self. When they see other people's videos. Wow. Interest. They will click and follow the person, comment, and share the video. But when they see your own video, they will not comment. Friends and families, waiting will do now. Support your family, support your friends. You remember those people you are supporting? They started from day one, now they have grown. So support we that are still growing. Support us. You don't go comment anything from you. When you follow me, when you comment on my video, it will not comment anything from your pocket. Let's try and be our friends keeper. I beg. Everything I say